ba member ba village health team nabagira ngo bakaba baraganisibwe kutunga emitwaro 8 chweka bitu batabukira babire no babagabira senti wanyuma yo kubaha emitwaro 8 yonka
hatekateka bachere 15 emitwaro 8 chweka batwe emitwaro 8 washare 15 kugacamba kujana ugaraka je emitwaro 3 chweka ntubantu tukora ninga ntubatarukora bana bane ngwitwa bashaho abebyaro nari ba VHTs abakuba yambo gukora imirimo ya government tutwina mugasho batugambire ngo mustame ite twaza kutandika twekora
babatakona kwebekora polio yabo tubabeshye twatkaraka gukora
ezin district kabazi tungire kare sente mburo bakoriremu itwe district yambare cyaturetire kucererwe sente ubutazi tungiro mbwire kandi bakagaruka bakazireta zitashyikire batatushobore enshonga cyazikeneza nicyo kintu enda twetegereze enshonganira
abana bagira ngo bakakora imirimo ya government konka nikibatangaza kushanga ngo akasente kabo tebari kwenda kabashashura kona
kicha tutabura kikakoma katereza enane emitware enkumitana bakazipima twebuze kwitanezo zaza
tobeze ba district agapetra training agombora trainingwa yatujya amherwa exercise eji zo kwati tunge mtwaye naburi mtwaye n'icyo kaburi VHT ubwo hatu batwesire batahone birango twaterana n'amasumu tuyija twashikaha atubye muri bamuhe mtwaye n'inkumitano bazasara niyo kanwa kagamba ngakora sales zibiri wabinaza kwera umusendiza akarwara naga kanamuzwe cyane akora sales zibiri kunategere supervisor witu wa Nyakayezo yanjye atikora sales zibiri noza kutunga sente za sales zibiri hatu bayine bampeme twarena iza sere muri ita nazo zidashikira.
Assistant Health Inspector wa Nyakayoje Division ashabara barukwatwaho mu bya sente okushobora enshongeji.
I send the Kasha District 1 to pay the money, whom I don't know, his name is undisclosed, but we are yet to know his name. He's the one paying together with the in charge of the health center 3. So now the VSCs are complaining that when we had the training, they were promised that we are going to get 45,000. But now on the actual day of paying us now, after even the money has been delayed, you have given us only 40,000. So they want to find out where is that 5,000.
Wanyuma ba member ba village health team bakingire gate no kwa babire ne bagaba sente kutandika kuterera n'amasumu barukuronda ekibara akuraseho
mwene rizoba kashi yakuyija yabaretere mitwarena ukujije pakuru kubyana bigamba na according to the budgets ziyatoreke kunaza kugamba na kandi 15 agenti zitarwo yanyoreka ikinde cyupapura yanyoreka ngo hari izindi sente ahubwo babiri nibaze processing in phases. Phase 1 ebire yizire shashura abantu bona abashaho hamwe na VHTs exam batch yo kubanza bashobize miliyoni 800. Then erizoba ba banking check ya miliyoni 5 eruho esente za VHT zeze 15 norebi ya budget kumiti esente kuzikwija ikoni zishashura
tubenari mbashaba twiciriza ngana district cash ogun district cash wara kwata sente zona za district abashobora kasiona kahira turgaha tuwezere tingora koda kugarerwa chatizi na kugara kai oyetu kansenti to kajerchi because no program ya government kane itaga accountability kane itaga transparency tikwa so mukamushime kwa mukore mitwaro inane twe kanyana ikana abuza hirese wa hirese no yabagire no nambuza habo huti yanya bakashi mukaba heze mitwaro inane tweka hata wagera bako heze mitwaro ngahi
ba member ba village health team nabagira ngo sente zabo baba batazitungire nabaza kureka hwemerimo yabo kandi bagumize muno kwesharinga gasha kwa Anthony Atwine aha wa TV West Omurimbara.